Are you looking for an affordable roofing contractor? Now you found one. We've been serving the local community for over 20 years and have successfully repaired and installed thousands of roofs. We offer the best pricing on roof repair and new roof replacement for all residential and commercial jobs. No job is too big or too small for us to handle. So call us today for the best price in town on roof repair or roof replacement. Go ahead, call us today for a free estimate. We're waiting for your phone call now.